Hi guys, and welcome to my official house tour. Alrighty you guys, so now we're gonna head upstairs to the second floor. Let's go. Okay, you guys, so welcome to my upstairs. We are now standing in my movie room. So you guys, this is probably one of my most favorite rooms in the whole house. It's very sentimental to me. This chandelier I actually installed myself, fun fact. My daddy, among many other things, is an electrician by trade, so he kind of walked me through it on FaceTime, and I put that up myself. I was really proud. The sectional is custom made, so when I ordered that, I ordered it along with my furniture downstairs, so it was custom made by a company in New York. Everything on the little console table here. So these two lights are from Home Goods. This black vase is from Home Goods as well. And then I have these two coffee table books. So the first one is Louis Vuitton, and this is the Murakami book. And then the top is Gucci. It was from their 2018 or 2017 collection. And then if you move over here, you've got a little sitting area, so you can see my Hermes Avalon blanket. That's the baby blanket. And then also you've got my favorite lamp, probably my most favorite piece in the whole room. I actually got that from Target, but it's gorgeous. And then above it, you've got my little Let Them Eat Cake picture, and I don't remember where I got it, but we'll tag it down below. And then we've got this fur rug in the middle. I love the pink fur. I wanted this room to be very like luxurious and velvet and soft and really, really comfy. The downstairs is completely neutral, so I knew I wanted more color up here. So we've got the pink fur rug, and I got this from Overstock. And then I added all the blush pillows, and I believe all of those pillows are from Home Goods. And then you've got these amazing pictures on the wall, and all of the artwork is from Society 66, I believe, or Society 6. So you've got like an Audrey Hepburn one, there's one with like Marie Antoinette with like colors all over her face, and I really love those. And then the arc lamp behind the couch is also from Target. And yeah, there's a lot of good stuff from Target in here. And then over on the ottoman, you've got the tray. The tray is from Home Goods as well as the flowers. I love that pop of hot pink. I think it really added something to the room, so I love that. And then if we move over here, we've got the console table, which has got the matching little side table. Those are both from Target. And the mirrors from Target as well. And probably my favorite thing over there is that matte black candelabra. I actually found that at Home Goods. It was super amazing. And then another really, really special part of this room is the etagere. So the etagere, I believe I actually got this from Walmart, and all the decorations are a mix of Target and Walmart, and I absolutely love them. And then you've got my flower box, which is from Rose Forever, New York. And I really, really love that. And then the last thing is gonna be the bar cart. So the bar cart, actually everything on it is from Target, even the champagne. And I had to get the pink champagne bottle. I've never opened it, I probably never will. It's just for decoration. It matches the room. And then those trays at the top are very special. Those are mother of pearl trays that Deja and I got on our trip to Egypt. Alrighty, and then on to my second guest bedroom. So this is one of the newer rooms as well. This room is probably like the most different room in my whole house, so it's very blue, as you can tell. Okay, so first thing you see when you first walk into this guest room is this really cool hanging planter, and I actually got this from, surprise, surprise, Target. So it's gold, it's got like faux succulents in there, but I just really like the vibe that it gives this room, so obsessed with it. So it's kind of like very like California, like coastal vibes. So when you come in, the first thing you see is this bed, and it is a gold 4-poster canopy bed that I actually purchased from, I believe it's from Target, but I know you can find the same bed like a lot of places. The bedding is from Target, the blue throw is from Target. The mirrored tray was actually a Walmart find, like shout out to Walmart. And then all of the pillows are a mix of Target, and then the blue ones I believe are from Home Goods. And then over here I've got this really amazing lamp that is from Target. It's like a really popular lamp. And then the 2 side mirrors on the side, also from Target. So I mainly decorated this room during quarantine, and Target was like the only thing that was open that had like home decor stuff. So it's a Target room. And then moving on to this side of the room, we have this really cool like gallery wall. So I've always wanted a gallery wall. I think they're super cool. So I did this one myself, as you can tell, because some of them are crooked, but that's okay. All of the pictures and the little gold leaf on the top are all from Target. The plant down there is from Target. I'm really not a big fan of like faux plants, or like I mean like faux green plants, but my mom always says they're important, so I put one in the guest room because I'll never see it. And then the velvet chair is from Overstock, and the pillow on there is a leopard print pillow, which I'm not sure if I'm keeping in this room, but it's from House. And then I love the legs on this chair. It's got this really cool like brown and gold look, which was kind of the look I was going for in this room. And so this little side table was another Target quarantine find. All of the accessories are also from Target, so the little green plant and the candle holder. And then the lamp was from Target as well. I just wanted it to be like very simple and coastal and like wooden, so kind of like very natural feeling in here. So, and I feel like I achieved that, so I really, really like it. And then you've just got a matching mirror at the top, which is just another mirror from Target. Alrighty, so welcome to the 2nd floor bathroom. So this is the guest bathroom. It's got the same custom tile as in my bathroom, same gray cabinets. To be honest, this bathroom is not quite finished, only because people are not in here very often. Unless I'm having like out-of-town visitors like my mom or my dad or my sister, this bathroom really doesn't get used. So I haven't gotten around to decorating it the way that I want to, which is kind of why it's so like minimalist. So I really do love the soap dispensers though. Those are from Target, and I got them before I went with this whole like super colorful theme. So I'm not sure if I want to keep them or if I want to do something like more fun to match the rest of the whatever rooms. And then if you step in here, this is just like the toilet, and then there's the shower. So the shower curtain I actually brought with me from my old place, and I really, really do like it, but it's gray and white, so I think I might end up switching all this around, but for now, I just don't know. But yeah, this is the guest bathroom.